journey. That's the ideation part you have covered. So your journey, because 12 years just started. What is your journey? I mean, in terms of both in terms of publishing the annual output that you're covering with some detail and also your readership. So could you
ना 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 ते तुम्ही दे मी देतो ना बोलो रे तन्वी हम दो रे
Swali.
Tidur ya, oi, ya udah. Ya, bagus. Recording as.
মই এতিয়া আমাৰ
He was the first exponent of Bishnupriya Manipuri linguistics. Actually, his career is uniform, first class career. That means in his student life, he was the class 10 level also. He was, I think, the 10th position, his 12th position. At that time, only 10 up to 10 positions awarded. So anyway, after higher secondary, at that time it was PUC also. He was a brilliant student and scored high. And he was the best graduate in first class, first in undergraduate courses. He studied it in Gurucharan College, and where he stood first in the whole Guwahati University and also the best graduate of the year. And after that, he pursued his education in Jadavpur University in master degree in Sanskrit with philosophy special. And there also he topped the list. He was first in Jadavpur University. Then he did PhD under Professor K.P. Goswami, but he actually nullified the hypothesis given by our Suniti Kumar Chatterjee. As per Suniti Kumar Chatterjee, that this Bishnupriya Manipuri language is so close to Bengali and Assamese, he thought that it is a dialect of Bengali. And then he proved by his research it's an independent language. It itself has two dialects, Madurgang and Rajargang. So then Suniti Kumar Chatterjee cooperated in his research, guided him also. Our official guide was K.P. Goswami. And then he started his career as an assistant professor. At that time it was called lecturer in Kasam College. Then he shifted to Guwahati University, and where he worked as a reader. Then he went to Tripura University as professor, and from Tripura University to Assam University, where he was a professor and also lastly the dean of the School of Arts and Music. But
apart from his linguistic studies, he was also in this language. Actually, he revitalized this language by his contribution in songs, in poems, and on all way. And his essays are now the masterpieces, or it has created a foundation. And he is known in India and abroad as a philosopher, because he has more than 20 books on Indian philosophy, and many of these books are now reference books in Guwahati University and other universities, like Reflections in Indian Philosophy, where he gave his own opinion on Indian philosophy, which is regarded as and Nyaya, Darshana, Vimarsha, and all other books. So he was considered as one of the 10 uh, philosophers of the last century. So he is so well known, and he was a confirmed bachelor, and so he maintained, he dedicated his life for philosophical studies, academics, and also for this language and literature and this community. Actually, later on, he adopted her as his daughter. So, and he died in on 2nd June 2011. And this dictionaries, he was a lexicographer also, and he wrote this first dictionary published was etymological dictionary, and at that time etymology